This is the zone I'm working in. This is my work zone. Here we go. Well, that's the last of the plastic. Remember the videos with the yogurt containers in them? Guess what? They don't last. Isn't that a pain in the rear? Anyway, I won't complain too much. Where did they go? Anyway, I'm going to plant these potatoes. There's a few in there. And this year, I'm not going to let the chickens into them because they ate too many. But anyway, they're like, potatoes? Potatoes? There is one potato plant that's a volunteer in there somewhere. At least there was 2 days ago. Is that it? Anyway, the raspberries are growing. Here's more fence material. Don't mind me, I've been dealing with green pollen. It doesn't make me happy. Anyway, that'll turn into fence. Here's a little history. It's the one I made last spring. Or was it the spring before? Anyway, you guys have a good day. I'm gonna go just kind of hide from the pollen. Bye-bye.